Hey guys, it's been a little while, but we're back and we've got a bit of an issue here. Got my Cox mower, I'm guessing it's from the 70s. Bought it in Brisbane, 250 bucks. Not a bad little deal. It's a cone drive one. So the first job we got to go and do on the mower is I need to replace the push rod for the inlet valve and set the valve clearance. So the tools we got here, 10mm socket with an extension. I've got a little 1/2 inch spanner, and then I've got one of these ones that I buy off eBay, and it allows you to get on funny angles. Sometimes it's quite handy to have. Do you mind? And lastly, feeler gauges. Just buy them from your local auto parts tool shop. And bloody heck, better sort this out. Hang on, stand by team. We want the mower a little bit back hill, just so when we pull this valve cover off, the oil's not going to run out. Or at least that's the thinking behind it. And we'll just get the 10mm, pull this cover off. Yeah, so you can see here, this push rod here was actually broken. That's why the mower was so cheap. And all I did was pull this out of the gap. We'll get this rod pushed in now. A trick when doing it, let's move this rocker out of the way. Trick when doing it, I might have to get a torch so you can see. But up inside here, yeah, you won't be able to see. There's a lifter, which sits in this end here. Now you just want to make sure that your lifter is sitting into the rod and it's not pushing on the edge. So push this in. Right, so I've double checked it. We're sitting on the lifter on the other end, and then here the rocket's not going to go around, so I need to back off this lock nut down here. We'll back it off a turn, and then we'll put the spanner on the front and wind the bolt out. We'll sit this in there and then do her up. There we go. Where your magnet passes the coil, or the stator. If you have this straight like this, that's just before top dead center. And then somewhere around there is top dead center. So that's where I'm checking it. So this one's probably a little loose. This one's too tight. Just grab my 11mm socket or 7/16. I'll back this off a touch, slide this in under the seat, and then I'm just going nice and steady with the motor in top dead center, and we're just feeling, you want just a bit of drag like that, not too tight but not too loose. See if I can get that back in. So just feeling the drag there, and then I usually go just a nip like that, and that's where it's set. So now I come in behind here with my fingers, and I just nip the lock nut up with my fingers, and then get your spanner with the feeler gauge still in there, and then I just finish tightening it. There we go. It's about there. You can see it's got a bit of drag. Then we'll do the lock nut up and see how it goes. Put the valve cover back on and it should run. Try and learn this. This is my throttle here. A bit new to the old Cox game, but like fully back his revs all the way on. And if I go just forward, should be choke in that position, should be choke on, just idle for the revs. There we go. And there we go. She's a bit noisy, the old girl. Sounds healthy. Thanks for watching. Well, the show's not over, folks. Put the AirPods in because the mower's pretty loud, and you cannot record with AirPods in. It makes the audio all crap. So I was doing a voiceover on this, but yeah, we went to use her and she had a flat tire, so got the Ryobi compressor out. We'll see how we go. We'll pump her up. Don't forget to put the Hills hoist up. We don't want to donk our head when we take the thing for a test run, do we? Oh, and you wouldn't read about it. Look at that. The bloody steering broke. Now I'm going to have to fix the steering. The steering's come off. Look at this. You couldn't write this in a book, could you? Let's have a quick look. I'll have to drop the deck down, I think. Let's have a look. Well, steering's hooked back on. Went to start it, battery's flat. I don't know, we can't win. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe, folks. And thanks for bonding with Luke. I'm Luke Bond. Over and out.